The three main characteristics of person in epidemiology study are age, sex, and living habits, age, sex, and ethnic groups, age, sex, and social class, age, sex, and nutritional study. Correct answer is B, age, sex, and ethnic group. The main cause of Kala Jar is meningitis, tetanus, Plasmodium vivax, Leishmania donovani. Correct answer is D, Leishmania donovani. A community health nurse might have expected Nita's baby to be high risk because Nita delivered at home. Nita did not know her LMP. Nita is a 36-year-old primipara. Nita works outside of her home. Correct answer is C. Nita is a 36-year-old primipara. The neonatal age of human life is from 3 years to 5 years, from birth to 1 year, from birth to 28 days, from 1 year to 5 years. Correct answer is C, from birth to 28 days. The commonest problem associated with the use of intrauterine device is uterine prolapse, vaginal infection, spontaneous expulsion, abdominal pain. Correct answer is C, spontaneous expulsion. During the period of induction of labor, clients should be observed carefully for signs of prolapse of umbilical cord, severe pain, uterine tetany, hypoglycemia. Correct answer is C, uterine tetany. After ovulation has occurred, the ovum is believed to remain fertile for 80 to 90 hours, 12 to 18 hours, 24 to 36 hours, 48 to 72 hours. Correct answer is C, 24 to 36 hours. Slight vaginal bleeding during the early pregnancy is known as antepartum hemorrhage, inevitable abortion, threatened abortion, placenta abruptio. Correct answer is C, threatened abortion. Therapeutic abortion is done because of bleeding with the advice of two doctors to save the life of the mother by an untrained surgeon because the mother does not the child for family planning reasons. Correct answer is D, for family planning reasons. Syphilis is sexually transmitted disease caused by Trichomonas vaginalis, chlamydia, Treponema pallidum, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Correct answer is C, Treponema pallidum. Vesicovaginal fistula is result of twins delivery, normal labor, breech delivery, obstructed labor. Correct answer is D, obstructed labor. Abnormal uterine bleeding occurs in prolapsed uterus, abortion, endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory disease. Correct answer is C, endometriosis. Master Bablu in your pediatric ward has acute glomerulonephritis. What would you observe him primarily for? Hypertension, circumocular edema, polyuria, high fever, oliguria, hypotension, dehydration, hematuria. Correct answer is A, hypertension, circumocular edema. One of the most major killer disease in children is diarrheal disease, acute respiratory infection, malnutrition, poliomyelitis. Correct answer is B, acute respiratory infection. Problems with dependence versus independence develop during the stage of growth and development known as school age, infancy, toddler, preschool. Correct answer is C, toddler. The teeth which erupt first are upper lateral incisors, lower central incisors, lower lateral incisors, upper central incisors. Correct answer is B, lower central incisors. As compared to cow's milk, breast milk has lower ascorbic acid, lower protein content, lower lactose level, high vitamin K. Correct answer is B, lower protein content. The addictive habit of patient can be prevented by using methods: recognizing abusing drug, community assessment, motivation, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. When reaching the point of acceptance, the stages of dying, a client's behavior may reflect emotionalism, apathy, euphoria, detachment. Correct answer is B, apathy. The treatment and management of mentally ill patients are all of the following except antibiotics, psychotherapy, medication, ECT. Correct answer is A, antibiotic. The primary purpose of regulating nursing practice is to protect professional standards, the public, practicing nurses, the employing agency. Correct answer is B. The public. The effectiveness of nurse-client communication is best validated by client's physiologic adaptations, client feedback, medical assessment, health team conferences. Correct answer is B. Client feedback. The current long-term health plan will end in the year 2025 AD, 2010 AD, 2017 AD, 2020 AD. Correct answer is C. 2017 AD. The best and important leadership style is laissez-faire, autocratic, democratic, none of the above. Correct answer is C. Democratic. The steps of supervision are all of the following except supervise and guide in error, give punishment promptly, observation of work done, point out right and wrong. Correct answer is B. Give punishment promptly. The management of post-operative patient with abdominal surgery includes all of the following except provide full diet, prevent wound infection, maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, ambulation. Correct answer is A. Provide full diet. You would humidify the oxygen before administration to the patient to prevent from irritation to respiratory passage, dehydration, halitosis, respiratory tract infection. Correct answer is A. Irritation to respiratory passage. Which of the following equipment can be sterilized? Heat, knives, catheters, syringes, linens. Correct answer is D. Linens. One of the most important steps in managing first aid of poisoning is keep the patient warm, immediate transfer victim to a health institution, inform the police first, none of the above. Correct answer is C. Inform the police first. The abbreviation used to indicate the drug to be administered after meals is ODAC, PC, HS. Correct answer is C. PC. The end product of protein metabolism is called the fatty acid, glucose, sugar, amino acid. Correct answer is D. Amino acid. The thyroid gland is found behind the sternum, in the pelvic area, in the middle of brain, in the front of neck. Correct answer is D. In the front of neck. The biggest organ of reproductive organ is uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, none of the above. Correct answer is A. Uterus. The part of the ear that contains the receptors for hearing is the tympanic cavity, auricle, cochlea, middle ear. Correct answer is C. Cochlea. Diffusion is a process of moving particles from an area of higher concentration to higher concentration, higher concentration to lower concentration, lower concentration to higher concentration, lower concentration to lower concentration. Correct answer is B. Higher concentration to lower concentration. Mr. Vikas Shrestha is found to control hepatitis due to contamination of food. Which type of hepatitis is he most likely be experiencing? Hepatitis C, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, none of them. Correct answer is B. Hepatitis A. The nurse administers alprazolam as ordered to an anxious client who has severe hypertension because it produces hypotension, induces sleep, promotes rest, reduces hostility. Correct answer is A. Produces hypotension. Mr. Rajaram Prajapati used having chronic pancreatitis need health education related to the risk factor modification. Your health education should include to control which of the following: Crohn's disease, diabetes mellitus, alcohol intake, duodenal ulcer. Correct answer is C. Alcohol intake. A client begins to expectorate blood. The nurse describes the episode as hematemesis, hematuria, hematoma, hemoptysis. Correct answer is D. Hemoptysis. A patient with fracture of cervical spine is most likely to suffer from tetraplegia, hemiplegia, paraplegia, monoplasia. Correct answer is A. Tetraplegia. The longest organ of the digestive system is large intestine, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Correct answer is D. Small intestine. Before giving a client digoxin, the nurse should assess the difference between apical and radial pulse, apical heart rate, radial pulse in both arms, radial pulse on the left side. Correct answer is B. Apical heart rate. Which one of the following is the most important observation you have to make immediately after tonsillectomy? Respiration, temperature, blood pressure, pulse. Correct answer is C. A. Respiration. The commonest side effect of myelography is diarrhea, backache, severe headache, photophobia. Correct answer is C, severe headache. Dyspnea is common symptom of patients suffering from dehydration, heart disease, ascites, acidosis. Correct answer is C, ascites. Which of the following candidates is best for insertion of intrauterine device? Unmarried, has one child and has history of pelvic inflammatory disease. Married, has one child and wants to get pregnant after 6 months. Is unmarried and has multiple sexual partner. Married with 2 children and does not want more at least 3 years. Correct answer is D, married with 2 children and does not want more at least 3 years. Mrs. Gani Maya come for tube ligation operation. Which of the following would you tell her to expect after this procedure? Change in sexual function, hot flushes, heavy menstrual bleeding, pain for several days. Correct answer is D, pain for several days. Among the following, which is credited to provide the best protection? Pertussis vaccine, BCG, Sabin polio vaccine, tetanus toxoid. Correct answer is C, Sabin polio vaccine. Wastewater from a community containing solid and excreta derived from houses, street and yard washings, factories and industries is called excreta, sewage, sewage sludge. Correct answer is B, sewage. The vaccine MMR given to children at the age of 15 months to 18 months is to prevent which of the following disease? Mumps, measles, rubella, measles, mumps, rickets, meningitis, mumps, rhinitis, all of the above. करेक्ट आन्सर इज ए, मम्स, मिजल्स, रुबेला। यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियो लाइक र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। थ्याङ्क